Yeah, it's chilly. I think we can go this way.
Yeah.
But then we will miss the cafe.
역시. Go straight.
Yeah, down here. According to this, it should be down there. Hopefully. Oh. Hands in your pockets.
Mm-hmm.
We have a reservation,
Mm-hmm.
so we have all the time in the world to walk 20k.
Mm-hmm.
Well. Where's the Camino? It's here.
Good.
Have you seen the sign?
No. I decided to go to Porto. If we go there, we'll meet the route.
Well, it is actually. We are on the Camino.
One day, one night in Porto.
Okay.
And
Okay, so you're going to Porto?
yeah, just one night.
Okay.
I made this exactly same Airbnb reservation when I was in two years ago.
Okay.
And then it takes about 8 hours to Madrid.
You're from Porto with bus?
With bus.
Okay, and then?
I stay there 2 or 3 nights and then go to San Sebastian. and there's a direct bus to airport.
Okay.
So now I need to decide where 2 nights in Madrid or 2 nights in San Sebastian,
Okay.
like that.
Madrid is also nice.
Yeah.
I've only been there once.
And I believe there's lots of things to do there, but we'll just minimize and focus on the Prado stuff, museum,
Yeah.
and then city tour. There should be some kind of Korean tours there.
Oh yeah, in Korean.
Mhm. Because that has most of this like route has the transportation opened.
Oh, so when are you flying to Porto? Monday or Tuesday?
Monday.
Okay.
By bus it takes about 3.5 hours.
What about the train?
I don't think there's a train between Porto. Could be, but
You bought a ticket?
not yet.
So there's a bus from Porto to Santiago.
Hmm.
Okay. 3.5 hours. Yeah. It's only 2 kilometers, 200 kilometers.
So I think the bus was starting at 11 or 12, like that.
It's actually close. It's not that big a deal.
That was the most reasonable route I could find.
Santiago de Compostela. Yeah, bus. There's also a train, but it takes longer.
Bus will be there.
And it's
Better.
the same price.
I took that bus before, so
Ride share.
much expensive, I think.
Yeah. The cheapest is a ride share. That'll cost you 15 euros.
17.
But then you have to find someone to be talking all the way.
I don't want to do that.
No.
There should be some hangovers on Monday.
So let's see here. Trip to Porto. Oh.
Chickens. No more pollo.
Pollo. Lenchaza. Cold. Baby, it's cold outside.
Cambió un o sea, hicimos reparación, además también me pedía, que yo dije, ya ves, ahora va a ir para aquí, realmente puede hacer nada. Yo sé que esperar a que vaya a buscar uno, y bueno, trae un cacharro de se arregló la cerita, arrancó el dulce, pero no lo arrancaron, baleiró, tocó, ahora fue un concurso ya con la castellana, se puede ver, me tengo ahorita un cacharro con una japonés, pero va a quitar.
Es un poco eso, es como... Okay, they've been up early. They only have 11 Ks left, Ivan and Stefan.
20?
11.
Really?
Yeah, he just got on WhatsApp. I think they've started at 6 o'clock or something.
Ah, they started early.
That's cheating.
Maybe they can make a mass in 12.
Yeah, easily. Ah, well. Yeah, no problem. Weekend 2. Tomorrow, leave at 8. We also only have, how much? It's 10 when we start. 10 or 11 tomorrow. It's 2.5 hours. So if we start at 8, we can be there at 11, drop our stuff, get the Compostela, go to Mass. first place they serve coffee.
Yep.
Maybe coming up. Oh, that's more pizza. That's an burger. Breakfast.
Yeah, they're open.
Yeah. Grab a coffee.
Yeah.
Maybe some tostada.
Cool.
I can remember this place. I passed it twice, I think. Now it's time to go in. Bowl yogurt con fruta. Why not?
It's kombucha.
Hola.
Hola.